Welcome to the channel, Griddle Guys. Happy New Year, everyone. So today we got something different. We're gonna do an experiment. We are going to see if we can actually smoke meat on the griddle. So we've got some homemade contraptions. We're going Alton Brown / MacGyver. We got some chicken, we got some beef, and we got some sausage. So stick around.
This should be interesting.
An interesting one. We haven't tried this yet. First time.
You get that smoky into that, I'm gonna be very impressed.
So that's the test. We're gonna see the taste test is not how perfectly did we cook it, but did the smoking actually work? So
Jeff, smoke ring or no? What do you think? You gonna see one?
Maybe. We're gonna go with.
He doesn't want to take a bet. He doesn't want to say yes or no.
Something's gonna be smoking if this is on the griddle. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be the beef or the box or the, but.
What do you think, Brian?
Brian thinks the box is gonna smoke. All right. Well, hey, you guys, stick around. You'll see. For the setup, step one is we need a couple of bricks wrapped in foil. That's your job. Here's the foil. Over there under the deck.
I thought Chris was gonna throw me the brick off screen.
Yeah, right? So now that Jeff wrapped our bricks, you got these here. Really, you don't have to wrap them. I just didn't want to put dirty bricks directly on the griddle. This is gonna be our smoker box where we're gonna put some charcoal. It kinda, I don't like how it's sort of wobbly. So charcoal.
I hope that's not your wife's pan.
And no, I just bought that at Walmart. It was like,
okay.
I think it was $1.98. And then we got a rack. This is gonna hold our meat. And then on top of that, we have my custom engineered, custom built smoker box. That started as a pizza box. As you can see, it's still got the cheese stain on the inside.
How much time did it take you to build that, Nate?
Probably about 15 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Any measuring going on when you did that?
Yeah, so I measured it against this rack to make sure the rack fit in it, but here's the funny part. Watch how tight it is on the griddle. I didn't measure the griddle, look.
Ah, custom.
Wow, it's perfect.
So the plan is, this is gonna capture and contain our smoke. We're gonna use the heat from the griddle to get us to between 225 and 250 degrees. I got a probe over here. We're gonna smoke chicken, wings, sausages, and steak.
Wait a second, what temperature do you think that's gonna get up to?
220.
225 to 250, that's the goal.
All right.
Why, what do you think?
I think it's.
Well, it's 35 degrees out where we are right now.
About 35 to 37.
Yeah.
It's a battle. I see some.
There's definitely a hold on this side.
Some engineering flaws with the.
Get out of here. So that's why we're on 2 burners, Jeff, because we have one burner on now.
Yeah.
If it doesn't get to 225, we can turn on the second burner.
How are you going to measure the heat to what the temperature is in there?
That's where the probe comes. Here, hold that. Okay. Useless.
Because
right?
I think we should really start high with the heat.
That's where this guy comes in. We're gonna poke this guy through, and that's how we're gonna maintain our temp.
All right.
And we're not going I don't want to go the full smoke. I'm not gonna take it from completely raw to fully cooked. I want to get a smoke flavor on it, and then transfer it to the griddle and finish it.
Nice.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Now with that, you can use wood chips. I'm actually gonna give Jeff a task. Can you build a fire for us? And Chris, can you go out front?
The bricks.
You know all the sticks that fell out of the oak trees in that last windstorm?
Yeah.
Can you grab a big handful of them?
Sure thing. I'll do that right now.
So I figure we'll smoke over. We got hickory
Yep.
charcoal briquettes, and we'll use the oak from the front yard.
I'm really not doing that. He's got a better shot of seeing God come down right now.
Well, Brian's shoes are already dirty. Maybe Brian can do it.
Yeah, maybe our guest can do it. Brian,
Yeah,
say hello
let's
to the
have Brian
kids.
do it.
Say hello to YouTube Nation, Griddle Nation. All right, so we're gonna get this fired up.
Okay, so even though Chris refused to gather sticks, I went and gathered my own.
Pick up your own one.
No thanks to you, Chris. So here's the plan. We're gonna start with two briquettes. The briquettes are gonna help that smolder. Jeff, you got the torch?
Yeah.
You wanna get those guys lit while they break up some sticks? As far as what kind of oak this is, whether it's white oak, red oak, gray oak, purple oak, I have no idea. I don't know anything about trees.
Only 2 briquettes?
Yeah, because I don't want to get too much heat going.
I'm not the briquette guy. How long do I stay on this?
Till they look like they're lit.
Okay, cup fire, you're fine.
Oh, I go a little more.
Put back up. It's a good piece.
All right, let's try that. And the good thing is, since all of these sticks were sitting under snow yesterday, ooh, that's hot. They're all
nice and
still wet. Well, we definitely have smoke already. All right, let's season up the meat, Chris. Let's season up the meat.
Okay, time to season the meat while the box is getting smoky.
While the smoke box is maybe catching on fire.
Killer Hogs AP. We're just gonna hit the steaks and the chicken wings. You're not gonna hit the sausage with this. Very liberally, right there, both sides.
So we're not going crazy on seasoning the meat or marinating the meat because we really
wanted
want
that smoke flavor.
We want to test if we get the smoke flavor. If you put too much on there, then you're not going to know.
Did you tell Chris about that not going crazy with the...
Not going crazy, dude.
The condiment king?
Not going crazy.
For the record, your smoker box just passed 100.
We got to knock a hole in it to let the smoke vent.
Yeah.
We're at 118, one burner on high, the other 3 off. Just gonna knock a vent hole for smoke. Make that fairly large. Yeah, we got a little bit of blue smoke coming out. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. Do you see that?
It's not gonna pick up. I can't even see it.
Well, you're half blind.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see a little bit. Yeah, I got it. Oh yeah, I just saw it. There was smoke.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely. All right, put it back down. Hurry up.
I'm gonna throw the other burner on just to get this up quicker. Okay.
Well, it's at 120 already, right?
Yeah,
we
we
get
gotta
to
get to
220.
225.
All right.
All right, so it's been about, I don't know, 12, 14 minutes. I got the 2 burners on high. I don't know if the camera's picking it up.
We got smoke.
Definitely smoke.
We got smoke. Now we're at 247. So we're definitely between the 250, 225 to 250 range. I'm gonna crank these down for a little bit. Jeff's got the food.
Looks like a nice plate.
Yeah, we're gonna lose
Oh,
all the
look at
heat.
that. See all that smoke, Chris?
I do see it.
All right, can you spin that? I want the chicken the other way.
Freaking Jeff, you know.
Ask the guy to do one thing.
No, Jeff, come on.
Like that.
Yeah. So I smell the oak. Put that back on there. The cardboard's not on fire yet. We'll see how this goes. All right, so we dropped down to 153. I'm gonna crank these both back up to high.
How long do you think we're gonna try to smoke it for?
I'm thinking, I know in my regular smoker at 250, the sausage only takes about an hour.
Yep.
So I'm thinking maybe 45 minutes.
Was she gonna fully cook these right now?
Well, the chicken won't be done in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Right, but we can pull the sausage off in 45 minutes, finish it on the griddle. That's the other thing. I don't want to smoke this all the way through.
Let's do that. It's Saturday afternoon. Why not? Let's see how long it takes.
Well, both you guys are off camera. I'm looking at Jeff's face right now. He's like,
We can go
I
inside.
don't know if I'm in for all that.
This is where you can leave it. We can go inside, hang out, come back out here, and let's do
I
it.
didn't want your dirty sneakers in my house.
I didn't bring my
Jesus.
bathing suit.
I'd give you one, but you're too
the
skinny now.
jacuzzi.
You're too skinny.
Oh, Matt has
All
one.
right, tell you what. Let's probe the food in like 45 minutes, and we'll see where we're at. How's that?
All right.
Deal?
Brian's hungry. You might have to order a pizza. Brian.
I was hoping you'd be done.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm gonna eat.
Did you just pat the box?
So far, it's working. It's working. We have smoke coming out. It smells. We got a vacuum going on in the house.
I gotta go tell her to stop vacuuming.
Oh, that's too funny.
All right.
Anyway,
Hopefully they can still hear us.
hopefully you can still hear us. We have smoke. It's just fantastic. It smells excellent. The temperature, as Jeff just showed you, we actually rise at 230. We are playing with the knobs a little bit. We got to go a little bit up, a little bit low, just to keep it a little bit level. Nate's box, he did okay.
I do have a little bit of leakage.
It's only on that
leakage.
side, which is okay. He's doing good. This side's doing great, Nate. I don't know if it's because the wind's going that way.
I think that's
you get a
the,
little bit,
that's
you
the
know.
higher quality part of the pizza box.
That must be it, right? That's what, it was already bent, it was already there. Anyway, everything
well, hey.
so far, excellent.
235?
Smells good. Smoking on the griddle. Who would have thought that?
We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see what happens.
So it's been 45 minutes. We hear stuff sizzling. We've been sitting solidly around 230 to 240. The temperature's dropping. We went from, I don't know, I feel like temperature dropped probably 9 degrees outside here. So we've had to play with the 2 burners. We've had 2 burners on. We've gone low, medium, high. But as you can see, there's still a lot of smoke coming out of it. We haven't added
great.
any briquettes.
Definitely smelling better than I expected.
So
I'm done. We haven't opened. We have not opened it up. We have not opened it up yet.
here we go.
Oh, chicken wings got to be flipped. Steak is done. Sauce is going to be flipped. That's what I had to think.
I don't want
First impression.
I don't want the tape to melt.
That's actually looks great. Nothing.
167.
On the chicken, 167?
Wow.
Probably a few of them. Let's make sure.
170.
175.
How about the sausage?
And 60.
160.
Okay. The steak is overcooked. I meant to actually pull the steak earlier.
Steak is at like 134, so these actually might be just right.
Look at that. Looks good.
All right, so the sausage you needed what? It was 160, Jeff?
161, 162.
I like my sausage 180 just to be safe. So we're gonna pull this.
You don't eat your sausage medium rare, Nate?
I do not eat my sausage medium rare.
I kind of like it now.
So we're gonna pull this, wipe the griddle down to get the ash off of it, and then just brown everything up and bring it inside.
This was our smoking, just so, I don't know.
Yeah, how's it look inside?
It looks pretty good. You still have one briquette still alive. The one you added.
So yeah, we did.
Smells good.
We did this whole thing 45 minutes with 3 briquettes.
A little oil or no?
Yeah, the oil's over there.
Yeah, all right. Good thing I'm here.
Thank God you're here.
Yeah,
Thank God. Thank God.
I don't know what you guys would do without me.
I got up this morning and I said, thank God Chris is coming.
Jeff, stop it.
I didn't say anything.
I know you didn't. I saw you look.
So these are cooked. This is just the brown meat, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited for the wings. The steaks may be a little medium well, which I'm okay with. I just want to see if it's got the smoke flavor.
Yeah.
The same with everything else, to be honest with you. All right.
So taste test. We're all digging in. We had the camera off for a few minutes. Who wants to go first? You, Chris, or me?
I'll go first, if you don't mind.
After you.
All right, so for me, being in this kitchen right now, all I smell is smoke flavor, okay? That's what I smell, and it smells delicious. Bit into the steak was still a little pink, a little medium rare, it tastes delicious. Don't taste a lot of the smoke flavor.
Really?
Very little for me. The sausage, it's the most to me, the smoke flavor.
Really?
Yeah. The chicken has it as well. The chicken has it, but it's not huge. And the skin on the chicken is different than I've had it before. Actually, it's very good. But the steak didn't carry the most to me. But this
Exact opposite for me.
it makes sense.
So I taste the smoke. I taste the smoke on the steak. The chicken is delicious. I love the chicken. It's very tender. Really tender and juicy.
Juicy.
What's
Very
more than I
juicy.
expected?
Much more juicy than I expected.
The smoke on the steak. A little bit on the sausage. There's actually no smoke ring on anything, which is kind of surprising because we had a lot of smoke in that box for 45 minutes. I mean, you can see it coming out. All that being said, it's very good. Yeah, the sausage is great. The chicken is. I really am
I can't
impressed
believe it
with
all
the chicken
cooked.
wings.
I can't believe it all cooked. That wasn't the plan, just so we know.
Yeah.
The plan was
too.
Yeah.
The plan was to get a little smoke in there and then, finish it on the griddle, but it was all cooked when we opened up his smoke box, cardboard box.
Fine piece of engineering, Chris.
Brian, Brian can help us out here with.
Well, he doesn't have a mic, so
yeah, but
I'll leave.
talk loud.
Hold on a second.
I don't have a mic, but I thought the sausage, the first bite, you taste the smoke, and then the spiciness gets to you. But definitely tasted the smoke. Same on the steak. I didn't taste it as much in the chicken.
Yeah.
So kind of a little different. Everyone.
Yeah.
So,
But all good.
do we think it's worth doing the smoke box?
Absolutely.
If you don't have a smoker.
Right. I think it's worth doing. I think it was very interesting. It was very easy, right?
You definitely could do yourself.
It was a set and forget it.
I don't think I would put a pulled pork on there, would you? The pork butt.
No, I probably
Pork
wouldn't put
butt.
it.
Yeah.
But I mean, once we put it in there, you just step away and, we sat there for 45 minutes around the fire. So,
Hanging out. It was actually enjoyable.
yeah.
Hanging out.
Surprisingly, keeping the temp wasn't that hard.
No.
No.
That was
Especially in our New England weather.
Yeah.
It probably got down to what, 30 degrees by the time we were done, 32?
Yeah.
My toilet is still cold.
And the wind wasn't that bad, which was a good thing, but he had a smoke, just like any other smoker, he had a smoke coming out of it the whole time. Not by design, it just happened that way.
Just leaked out.
Yeah, but it worked out well.
Right.
I liked it, Nate. It was I'm actually, a great idea, great
Yeah, cool.
thing. I enjoyed it.
Guys, we'll see you on the next one. Happy New Year. Try this.
Cheers.
Interesting. Cheers.